Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. So you guys, today's video is a grocery haul. This is the last grocery haul of September. And the honest truth is groceries just aren't going it's just the money doesn't go as far as how it used to go. And with that being said, I was in the grocery store the other day. I was looking for something and I just happened to walk by the meat counter. I was in Food Lion. And I saw meat was pork chops. I always can go to Food Lion and find and mark down pork chops. Those pork chops were $17. I've never in my entire life seen pork chops for $17. I'm like, what is this? And when did this start happening? But y'all, it's a real thing. And I work full time and I am able to buy groceries. I wonder about the people, the families that are unable to afford groceries. It's real out here in these streets. To be 100% honest, I always have to shift monies around for groceries. Like whenever child support comes, I will pull some extra because that's just how we make it through. I think we could probably live off of our stock for a while, but not, like I saw chickens on sale at Harris Teeter for 99 cents a pound. And I was thinking, man, if I had a little bit more money, I could get a few chickens. And I had to leave them because I didn't have any more money. But it's fine. It's no problem. I get paid tomorrow. And if there's money there, I'll pull some and go and pick up a couple chickens. And they were the whole chickens. So, as cheap as I've seen them for 99 cents a pound in a long time. But the extra money wasn't there. And so I wasn't going to try to fudge it. But, y'all, don't go as far as it used to. So, anywho, the kids and I are back officially on keto. That's just what we're going to do. Yeah, that's what we're going to do for right now. We're still going to try to be as dairy-free as we can. Now, I did get cheese, so you will see cheese. But I got dairy-free butter. And I got, I forgot the coconut milk. So I am going to have to go back and get that instead of getting the heavy cream. I got the coconut milk. And then I got the raw Parmesan cheese from Sam's. And that doesn't seem to hurt my stomach at all. That raw cheese doesn't seem to hurt me. But anywho, keto for right now, at least for the next 90 days. We're going to try to go keto through the holiday into the first of the year and see if we have made any strides in our weight loss. So anywho, in our healthiness, it's just not about weight loss. It's about healthiness. Let me be very transparent. So I took Alana to her piano lesson and her voice lesson, and I usually go walk on the beach. So my bones have not been cooperating with me. So I was like, okay, I'm going to sit in the car. Then I was like, no, let me just get out and walk. So I got across the street, got to the beach. And there was a little step I needed to go up over to get onto the regular sidewalk. So I took the step, or I thought I took the step. What I ended up doing was taking a tumble down on my face. And I'm very thankful I didn't hit anything because I could have easily hit my head. I caught myself with my arms, like my arms are killing me right now. It's just the impact of catching myself. And the first thing I thought of was when I was 250 pounds, I would not have been able to get myself up off the ground. Fortunately enough for me, nobody was there to see, that I did fall. And so I wasn't embarrassed, but I knew at 250, I would not have been able to get up. So at 194, I was able to get up, bless God. So I'll take it. So it does roll down to a little bit more than just weight. It's healthiness, and I want to be as healthy as I can. I think even looking in this camera right now, my skin is as clear as it has ever been. I have on no makeup. I just have a little bit of foundation, and that was from this morning. I mean, I put on my makeup like at 6:30 this morning, and it is 9 o'clock at night, 9:08 at night. And my skin is as healthy as it has ever been. My hair is coming in healthy. My nails are growing in healthy. And I just feel good. And I want to continue to maintain that. So I'm going to do what makes me feel the best. And on this journey, keto just makes me feel the best. Oh, I forgot one more thing at Walmart. Anywho, let's jump into this grocery haul so you guys can see what I got. Okay, so here's what I got. Shopped 2 stores. I shopped at Harris Teeter and I shopped at Walmart. And what you see right here is $73. This is $73 worth of food. So Harris Teeter, they had these sharp cheddar cheeses on sale, or they just had sliced cheese on sale for $1.77. So I did pick up those. I picked up 4 was the limit. This is where I got my stocks in on my preps in for the week. They had black beans and corn for 49 cents each. And I got 6 black beans and 4 corn. That's going in the pantry. We're not eating beans or corn, but if it were to come down to a point where we needed to supplement our meat and use beans, then I would have those. And if we needed to eat whatever we had in our pantry, we would eat whatever. My kids like corn, so we will do that. But again, those preps are going to the pantry because they were only 49 cents. There was no limit. So I got 10 because that ended up being like $4.90. So I was trying to keep my budget small on preps this week. I wanted to get 20 cans, but as you can tell, I was out of money. I did pick up this extra dark Belgian chocolate. This was 2 for $4. And this Ghirardelli Intense Dark Chocolate, that was 2 for $5. So just a couple, I did scan those with Carb Manager. And they were keto friendly. Those 2 were. There was some other ones that they said strictly avoid, and we avoid. And they were also cheaper than the Lilies this week. So I'm always trying to find what I can find that is good on carbs. Picked up some of the extra creamy Ready Whip. That needs to go into the fridge because it's been out a minute. Sweet relish, no sugar added. Almond butter, $5.99. This was $3.29. Plant-based butter was $4.49. I picked up mushrooms at $2. This was buy one get one free at $3.99. The tomatoes were $2 for $4, and then this monk fruit in the raw was $2.59. There was a 75-cent off coupon. It did not double. I thought it would, but I'll give that a try. And then I got the spaghetti squash. They were 99 cents a pound. I got 2 of them, so that can either be 2 separate meals, or this one can be a meal and a lunch, but 2 separate meals. And then the eggs were $2.19 at Harris Teeter. This is a good thing because at Walmart, that 60-count eggs was $8. I said, no, ma'am, pound. So at Harris Teeter, to include the eggs and everything here over, I spent $61 for that. Then at Walmart, I got 2 things of olive oil. I got some of the Sweet Baby Ray's no sugar added honey mustard, almond milk for the kids, 2 things of whipped topping for that keto dessert, and then 2 of the sugar-free French vanilla, because those will make that keto dessert that I found on Instagram. And I spent $12.65 at Walmart. So meals. Right, tonight we're having fish tacos. It is 9:13. So Wednesday is our late night. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays. But we have some news. So I'll share that on this video. I'll share it in another vlog. But Wednesdays is a late night for us. It's 9:13 and we have not eaten. Nobody has eaten. Alana has piano lessons at 5. So as soon as I get home, I got to grab her stuff, my stuff, change clothes for the gym. And we head to piano lessons. And we don't get home until 9. So fish tacos for tonight. For the rest of the week, we have spaghetti squash. So we'll probably just have spaghetti with a meat sauce with the beef, because I bought beef last week at Walmart. I forgot sausages because we have been doing sausages and eggs in the morning. And so I need to get, I have some links. I don't have patties. I will need to get some patties. Wipe the stove, but I will need to get some patties from Walmart, but I forgot. As far as additional meals, I may just focus on meal prepping this week. I am going to prep the tomatoes. I do also want to do an egg casserole. I saw M with Jen do that one today. I think we have chicken, so we'll pull some chicken out. And we also, do we have more fish, or did we finish all the fish now? I think we have shrimp.
We have salmon.
Okay, and we have some salmon. So we'll probably do some salmon salad, something like that. Or butter butter sauce or something of that nature. Don't really have a big meal plan for this week just because I haven't thought about it and my body's hurting because I fell down. And so what I'm going to do is have the kids get the groceries put away, and they're actually going to cook dinner tonight. I'm actually going to go sit down because I'm at the end of my energy for the day, period, in Jesus' name. So anywho, there it is, you guys. If you like the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know how grocery prices are looking in your area, because I'm telling you, when I saw those pork chops, which are regularly about $8 or $9, sometimes you can get them as low as $7, and it wasn't any bigger of a pack for $17, I was heartbroken. My feelings were hurt behind that. I was like, the Lord is not pleased. But God is a good God, and he provides for us. My children and I are not hungry. We're not going to go hungry. The freezer has food. The fridge freezer has food. There's food in the pantry. There's food in the outside pantry. We have food. And if we need to change our eating to accommodate the food we have, we will do that with no problem. It ain't that deep of a thing. I just can go to the gym a little more and walk a little more to maintain my healthy eating. But anywho, you guys, there it is. If you like the video, be sure and thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.